remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. EDT for southeastern Mercer, northern Burlington, and western Monmouth counties. At 6:34 p.m. EDT, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Mercerville-Hamilton Square, or near Trenton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Ewing, Highttown, Bordentown, Allentown, Edinburgh, Crosswicks, Whitehorse, Windsor, Twin Rivers, Mercerville-Hamilton Square, Lawrenceville, Lardville, Groveville, and Princeton Junction. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 8A, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 10, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 59 and 71. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is occurring. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.